Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on Binance US. First, you need to create and verify your account. This involves completing identity verification, also known as KYC, to comply with regulations. For enhanced security, always enable two-factor authentication. This crucial step protects your assets and personal information from unauthorized access, ensuring a safe trading environment from the start. Once your account is set up, you'll need to fund it. You can link a bank account for ACH transfers, which are often free, or use a debit card for quicker deposits. Binance US also supports wire transfers. Be sure to review the specific deposit limits and any associated processing times for your chosen method to ensure a smooth transaction. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy USD. Head to the Buy Crypto section on the Binance US platform. Select USD, then enter the amount you wish to purchase. Carefully review all the order details, including the conversion rate and any fees, before confirming your purchase. Your USD will then appear in your spot wallet. After buying, you can view your USD balance in your Binance US wallet. You have the option to hold it, trade it for other cryptocurrencies, or transfer it to another wallet or exchange. Be aware that withdrawal fees and minimums can vary depending on the network chosen, so always check these details before initiating any transfers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.